Assalamualaikum and good day. My name is Muhammad DANISH HAZZIQ Muhammad HAIRUL, and together with me is our group leader IRDIENA MUSTAFA and Muhammad MIRZA HIDAYAT HAMDAN. We are proud to represent our majestic Johor State and our school, Sekolah Menengah Kebangsaan Bandar Penawar, in the UCSI-Oxford BizChallenge with project entitled Sustainable Practice to Increase Plant Yield.
To face the world's concern about decreasing food for the rising population in today's challenging environment, we set a brainstorming session to identify the root cause by using the Ishikawa diagram. All the causes were then analyzed from trusted information sources, thus leads us to the critical four. The four root causes then being defined thoroughly using 5W and 1H. They are 1. Less fresh water. We need to use fresh water effectively, such as reducing water usage in planting, but at the same time able to provide plants' requirement. 2. Ineffective fertilizing. Frequent application of chemical fertilizer by farmer will cause acidic or polluted soil, thus agriculture will no longer be profitable on those fields. 3. Insufficient mulching. Mulching is proven to increase harvest rate, especially in dry lands, as it helps to conserve soil moisture, reducing weed growth, prevent soil erosion and compactness, and many more. Finally, unmanageable weed. Weeds play many roles on earth, but when it comes along plants, especially during early stages of plantation, it will aggressively fight for nutrition, water, space, and sunlight, which leads to unhealthy plants. We're using pros and cons analysis, which leads us to decide in innovating an organic mulch in bag organic. We incorporated our SMART goal with ideas on green business around the world, as we see the demand for organic produce is increasing. We also did benchmarking on competitors who use recycling resources for fabric waste, compost, and mulching. Our team started designing the bag and compost filling and named our product as Smart Mulch. We also designed a recyclable package that gives our customer extra value and at the same time increasing good company reputation on environment conservation, which means we will achieve more than 58% gross profit margin. Our Smart Mulch offers various benefits that satisfy customer needs, but importantly, is educating people on practice sustainable planting.
To succeed in sustainable green business, we support government campaign and peeping into market demand, which then help us producing various spin-off products such as horticultural and vermicomposting material. The spin-off product will help expanding our market to various levels of potential customers. We are developing and implementing sustainable green business plan from corporate branding, marketing and e-marketplace and other business platform likely in digital platform. In order to sustain business and gain customer loyalty, our business plan includes few attractive incentives such as coupon giveaway, efficient after-sales service, custom-made product, building strong relationship between customer, government and NGO, also contribute to environment through CSR program. Thank you.